here's the good news. Kung ang tao may standard, si Lord may standard din. Dako na tayo. Pero ang kagandahan sa Panginoon, sa standard niya, hindi naman niya kailangan na capable ka. Hindi rin naman kailangan ng Panginoon na sobra kang competent, na grabe ba, competitive ka, na napakagaling mo. Alam mo kung ano lang hinahanap ng Panginoon? Faithful. Anong hinahanap ng Diyos? Faithful. He doesn't care about our ability, capability, but faithfulness matters to Him. Just be faithful and He will make you able. If you are willing and obedient, you will eat the best of the land.
Like, follow, and subscribe.